Second video I'm making today. The first one obviously isn't posted yet because I only made it just a few hours ago. This one's going to be more, if you remember back to my trouble with tree rows video, where I had to move some trees off one of our fields. I'm going to go do the same thing today on a couple of other fields, but as you can see, I'm not using my pickup. I'm using the loader, that same 924F that you saw in the loader troubles video, which I wasn't actually having troubles. I think it was more just the sensor was giving me fits than actually an overheating engine. But we'll see if it does it again today. The temperature's already climbing up, but you know, it's one of those things where, you know, it is what it is. I'll just have to deal with it if a problem comes up. So I'm headed down to one of our fields and one of our, actually the one that I call ours is actually a rented field, but there's one that's part of a deal we have with another farm. Driving past, actually, a little bit of an interesting story here. This is one of our fields that got, there's areas of this field that got just urea for their mid-season application, or one of their early mid-season applications of nitrogen, and there are places that got urea and sidedress and hydrous. And looking out across the field, you can't even tell the difference between what got urea and what got urea and anhydrous. You know, everything else about it is the same. They all got the same starter. They're all getting 29004 through the irrigation. But you know, there's some fields, you know, about a mile and a half to the south of here that got just urea, and there's fields right next to them that got just anhydrous. And I'd like to go in and do an in-depth look at, you know, kind of the side by side, the ones that got anhydrous and the ones that got urea, but not both. But that'll be another video, or it may not even be a video, who knows. I've got some videos that I need to post yet that, well, I need to edit them first, but I'll get some videos uploaded. I haven't been posting for a few days because, you know, let's face it, I've been lazy. It's not that I haven't had time to get them edited and uploaded, it's just I've been lazy. So that's all for now. I'll turn the camera back on when I get to pushing these trees out of the way. So stay tuned. All right, we're coming up on the first tree here. I've been told it's a big one, but we're gonna get up here, probably stop and get out and figure out a game plan before we get to pushing too much. And I'm gonna stop her here. The parking brake on this loader doesn't work, so I'll use the bucket. Okay, what have we got for a tree here? Now what I'm thinking here is maybe if I can shove it back a few feet, then come around this side and try and roll it, that should get it off the driveway. Because otherwise, if I just try to flip it where it is, it's going to come up against that tree and probably roll right back to where it's sitting as soon as I back away. So that's my plan. Let's put it into action and see if it works. Nope. let's just go to stage 2 of the plan and see if I'm right about that hole not going to actually stay where I put it bit. Whoops, I guess I scraped a little bit of sod. I guess I'll have to try and put that back. I think I had that tire off the ground. Huh. It's maybe actually gonna stay there. Off the pivot road at least. Alright, as promised, the next tree. This is the last one that I need to move, and if you can't tell, there is an oak tree here that brought down part of a pine tree with it. So I'm trying to determine how in the hell I'm going to do this. I'm not entirely sure. Unless I can get this where I can get a chain around it and use that to lift. I'm going to try that. I'm going to nose in here as far as I can, as best I can, and then take that chain and see what I can do with it. Come on. Can't guarantee this is going to work, but it's worth a shot. Oh, well, that's handy. But honestly, might make this a little bit easier. Well, there. That gets that tree taken care of. And now there's just the hand bomb job of picking up the broken bits. That, I guess, is the end of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out all my other videos if you haven't already. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit subscribe. Like I said in another video that at this point I haven't posted yet, my goal by the end of September is 50 subscribers, and every video I'd like to see 10 views in the first 30 days after I post every video. This one's going to get cut up quite a bit, you know, edit out some parts, and hopefully it'll flow real nice when I'm done. But I'm going to have some work to do with the editing because I'm over 11 minutes on this section of the video. So thanks for watching. Share these videos, or this video, or any other video you feel like on my channel. If you like it and want to show your friends, go ahead and hit the share button, and leave your comments. I enjoy reading them. So thanks for watching.